We are working on developing the products here, from doing the CNC on the machine for the steel materials, as well as welding, as well as buying the components to set up the whole product.
My colleague from ITC, we involved to building the panel part. We make design optimizers and welding for the panels.
Thank you so much for all of the efforts and all of the helps that you've been doing from all of the people, amazing people in ITC department. They were amazingly helpful to develop the panels, the GAPS panels that we're producing throughout the whole process of CNC cuts, and then comes here, putting it all together, welding it, and then making it as great as it is. All these tables that you can see right here, these are small pieces one by one that we have done. For example, in part of the design, there is a very complex part of the design that has a very different angle. So we had some difficulties to actually place them together. So Dieter actually came out with a very good idea that we could actually change it to this. So this is a sample. So we have designed it in a way that the panel goes like that. This way, we can actually simply install the panels. It would save a lots of time from the labor cost, as well as implementing it would be a lot more stable and a lot more stronger as a product.
Yeah, this is very easy to weld it. Here is 2 plates, one of one, and it's very easy to weld it. And the next is, you see here is the rubber, while inside is water go down, and this is rubber to behind, water go out.
The most interesting part about this design, the idea that it came to you was to fold the panel, this layer, into 2, which that makes the whole structure very strong and not bendable. Because this is very important, because we're using these panels on the construction industry. It was very important that we make these panels as thin as possible, but as strong and as stable as possible. And with that idea, very good job, this will happen.
The next, we are framing the panels. There will be some final touches.
One of the experiences we had over here was that all of the people from the team, especially Dieter, they were very passionate about what they were doing. For us, it was a feeling that this is their own project, so they were treating it in the same way. We've been working back and forth on a lots of different aspects, and whenever we get into a problem or a situation that it was unsolved or resolved kind of detail, they will figure it out, and we finalize the product as it is today.